Here we are in Microsoft Dynamics AX 2012 R3. Currently, we're looking at the Role Center. We'll learn more about this Practice Management Role Center in a later module on business intelligence and reporting. First, let's navigate over to the area page of the Projects module by using the navigation pane and going to Project Management and Accounting. The first thing we'll want to do is check out the Projects list page. We can either go into just those projects that are associated with me, for which I'm the project manager, or we can look at all projects. Let's open all projects to take a look. Here's just a simple list of all the projects in the system and some basic information about them. As you navigate through the project list, you can see various information over here on the right in fact boxes that tell you information about those projects. You can also filter this list to show you just the active projects, as we're looking at right now, or all the projects in the system that have already been completed. We also can filter down into the all the projects in the system, or just the top level projects in the case that you actually have sub-projects for some of your projects. You can also filter down based on legal entity. So I may have multiple subsidiaries or legal entities in my organization, and I might want to view projects across those legal entities. That filtration can happen using this control. Now let's open up a project and look at the project details page. We'll choose SharePoint implementation. Over here on the left, you can see the project structure. So these are the sub-projects that we were talking about earlier. So this particular project, the SharePoint implementation, has been decomposed down into two sub-projects. Maybe there's different teams working on these two different projects. One is doing content development, one is doing site configuration. Some basic attributes of the project include the people who are responsible for delivering the project, such as the sales manager, project controller, the ID of the project. This is a automatically generated number. The name of the project, of course, that could change as conditions change, but the ID will be stable through the lifetime of the project. And various information over here on the left that you can navigate to that give you more details about the project. We'll be looking at a number of these tabs throughout the other modules and digging into their meaning, but right now let's take a look at this Collaboration Workspace tab, which is associated with each project and enables you to have a SharePoint site that has information associated with that project, where your team members might go and store documents, maintain lists of risks and issues, and keep an eye on their project schedule. You'll also see here that we have a Financial Dimensions tab. That will be covered in a later module, but this enables the project to be associated with different aspects in the general ledger for general reporting and whatnot in the general ledger. So those are some basic attributes of the project. We'll be seeing a lot more detail on these other tabs as the course progresses.